In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Steam trade URL. If you want to trade items on Steam, especially through trusted third-party marketplaces or trading communities, your trade URL is an important link to know where to find. It allows other people to send you trade offers directly without needing to add you as a friend first. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find it inside Steam and how to copy it safely. To begin, open Steam and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct profile, since the trade URL is unique to each account. Once you're signed in, look toward the top area of the Steam window and hover over your username. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Inventory. This will take you to the section where your tradable items are stored. Once your inventory page opens, look for the Trade Offers option and click on it. This area is where Steam manages incoming and outgoing trade activity. On the Trade Offers page, find and select the link that says, "Who can send me trade offers?" This opens the settings related to trading permissions and how other users can interact with your account for item exchanges. After that, scroll down until you reach the third-party site section. This part is especially useful if you use external trading platforms that require your Steam trade link. In this section, Steam will display your trade URL. Once you see it, you can use the Copy URL button to copy the link and share it wherever it's needed. For example, you might paste it into a reputable trading website or send it to someone who needs to send you an offer. Be careful when sharing this link and only use it with services or people you trust. While it doesn't give someone access to your account, it does allow them to send you trade offers. You can also directly to the trade offers page if you want a faster route in the future. That can save time if you need to access your trade settings regularly. And that's it. Once you've copied your Steam trade URL, you're ready to receive trade offers more easily. Just remember to double check where you share it, and if needed, Steam also gives you the option to regenerate the URL for extra control. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find and copy your Steam trade URL.